So when we are working with JavaScript array, we have a lot of methods that are provided by JavaScript object, like push in order to add the new element, pop method in order to remove or pop out the particular element, splice, slice, shifting, unshifting, and we can also merge the two array to create the new array. Let's see how we can utilize these all methods and functionality available in JavaScript object, JavaScript array. Let us try to print these values, and later on we will define the different method. So these are the car values that are printed now. Let us see what we have achieved. So removed card is 5 and the available cars are car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4. Let us try to add with the help of push. Where new car equals to push car 6, and we will say it is new car, and we will try to print the newly added car. And we will add this particular assignment at the end. So the new added index is 5 Let us see what is the shift method. If I am saying cars dot shift, and then I am trying to apply this particular assignment, let's say I am not doing anything with these functionalities. We are defining the array and performing the shift operation and assigning this value to this car 1 2 3 4 5. So car 1 has been shifted, so it removes the first element, that was the car 1, and left the other element as it is, that we can see. What if I am trying to do car 6, and then I am assigning this let's see what will happen. So it has added the new element, and the unshift method returns the new array length, that is the increment of by adding the new element. Now let's see one of the most important method of array, that is splice, that is used to delete the elements as well as adding the elements. Let's see how we can use this method in order to add the new elements. We have already an array of car with objects 1 2 3 4 5. Let us try to splice. If I am saying starting from position 3 to 0, and I am adding car 6, car 7, car 8, then what will it becomes? So car 1, car 2, car 3, 6, 7, 8, car 4, car 5, 0, 1, 2, 3. Starting with 3, added all the elements. Starting with 3, added all the elements, and then whatever it already had, it printed. So this is how we can define the parameters. The first parameter that we have defined 3 defines the position where the new element should be added. The second parameter, that is 0, defines how many elements should be removed, and the rest of the parameter that we have added car 6, car 7, car 8 defines the new elements to be added. So splice method returns an array with the deleted items. Now let us see how we can delete the elements with the help of splice. If I am saying this is how we had added the new element, now we will try to remove one element starting with 3 and remove one element and add these particular elements. So car 1, car 2, car 3, car 4 is removed, then car 6, car 7, car 8 added, then rest of the element that was already there. So starting with 3 and removed one element and added these element, and let other elements to be added as it is. What if we are not going to add anything? We are just trying to remove the elements, starting with suppose that 2, and remove 2 elements. Then what will happen? Starting with car 1, car 2, starting with 2th index and remove 2 element. So car 1, car 2, car 3 is the 2 element, 0th, 1, and your car 3 is on index 2, and we are removing 2 elements. Car 3 and car 4 has been removed, starting with 0, 1, 2, and remove the 2 element. 2 element has been removed, and let other as it is. Car 1, car 2, car 5 should be printed, and it has been printed. So this is all about splice method for removing and adding the elements. Now let us see what is the slice method. Now let's see slice in array, where new cars equal to splice slice. I am saying 2. Let's see what will it return, and I am assigning these value to that particular ID, new cars, and I am just commenting these out for now. So we are creating the new array. Let's see, 3, 4, 5 has been returned, starting with 2, 0, 1, 2, and collecting all the elements 3, 4, 5. This is how we can create the new array with the help of existing array, by defining the element to be take out from the already created array. This is our source array, and we are taking out the element starting with 2nd index to the new array. If I am saying I am adding 2, 1, then what will it print? So when we define the slice with only one argument, then it returns all the values after that. So when we define the element of this type to start car dot slice, and I am giving 1, then it has not returned any value, because it has the starting argument that has been selected for the element, and up to which we have not including the end argument. So if we define over here 3, then it has printed 3. If I am giving, let's say, random number 5, so it has take out 3, 4, 5. So what we have seen, if I am giving 4, then it will take the 4 element but not include these 2 elements. If I am saying I am taking 3 but not including the starting 2, so So this is how the slice will return you the new array that will take the two arguments. The first one to ignore these elements from the list but pick out only these elements, that is the second argument. We are taking out the three elements but ignoring the two elements. So if I am giving to starting with 2 and take only two elements, then it will return you blank. So this is all about the array methods in JavaScript. Thank you so much.